Sir Charlie Chaplin said, "A day without laughter is a day wasted." He also said that you need power if you want to do something harmful, otherwise, love is enough to get everything done. We are in the first week of New Year 2021. In New Year, we'll see new dreams, new world, more success, great achievements, and very important is we'll spread more love, happiness, and peace in the world. We'll pray that world will be free of corona and everywhere there will be a peace, peace, and peace. Good day and happy new year. Today my topic is humor is the entrance to meditation. Teacher entered a classroom and wrote one question. What is the difference between email and Gmail? Raju raised his hand. He want to answer. Teacher said yes. Go ahead, Raju. Raju replied, mail which is sent using electricity is a email, and mail which is sent using generator is a Gmail. One lady went to the beauty parlor. She was having only 20 hair on her head. Beautician asked, what do you want me to do? You want me to count your hair or you want me to cut your hair? She replied, color them. Once I asked my girlfriend, when you are small, what you are doing? She replied, I was growing up. Last month, one of our colleagues was absent from the work. Next day, boss asked him, why you were absent yesterday? He replied, marriage anniversary. So everybody wished him, and one of my friend went out and brought gift for him. After 2 weeks, again he was absent from the work. Next day boss asked, why you were absent yesterday? He replied, marriage anniversary. Then boss said that before 2 weeks you already took a leave because of a marriage anniversary. This colleague replied, yesterday was marriage anniversary of my neighbor. Wife requested husband to give 2000 rupees and she told that she will return the same money on his salary. One old person was taken to doctor because he was having a stomach problem. After the initial diagnosis, doctor diagnosed that he was having a liver problem. Doctor asked him, are you drinking alcohol? He said, from the age of 21, every day he is drinking alcohol. So doctor said, your liver had a problem, and you may die in some days. So that old man prayed to God that in next birth give me a 32 liver and only one teeth. With one teeth I can manage food, but if one liver fails, another can be used, so I can drink as much as I want. Wife took husband to the doctor and said that in the night while sleeping he is talking too much. After hearing this, doctor said, no need for any medication. Just allow him to speak during a day. Husband ready for going to office after having a breakfast and he was about to leave. Wife started coughing. So husband waited. He brought a glass of water and offered her. He waited for 10 minutes and while going, he asked her, you want anything while I return from office for your throat? She replied, bring me the 10-gram gold chain. After hearing this, husband started coughing and till the time he returned home, he was still coughing. In economics, we study that human wants are unlimited, like thoughts in our minds are also unlimited. We all experience that. When we sneeze, we cannot keep our eyes open. Even if we try to keep open, we cannot. Like that, when we laugh, we cannot think. And when there are no thoughts, there is no mind. And where there is no mind, there is no anger or no proud. So one of the thinkers said that humor is the entrance to the meditation. The content I speak now, all I collected from the social media, and it was for humor purpose only. See you soon with the next some motivational quotes. Thank you very much.